So, hello everybody. So, you finally got the news that the exams for company secretary students is merged to December. So, at least there is some clarity now. So, despite all the negative news that we are hearing about COVID, Corona, and how the pandemic is getting really bad in India, at least something is clear for us. That is the exam date. So students were very worried, and we had this opt-in, opt-out. Lot of confusion was there. So to be fair enough, even institute were not able to take a decision quickly because it is a pan-India exam. So it happens in the entire country, and we have more than 70 centers. So it's not easy to take a decision. So they had given the option of opt-in, opt-out, and all that. And then finally, chartered accountant exam, that is CA, and company secretary exams, both the institutes have taken the logical step. It is the most logical step, that is to cancel all this June exam and directly go for December. So at least clarity is there. Also, students were getting very worried. Students were acting very paranoid, and they were panicking. Oh, I should study. I'll write one more module. What should I do and all? So now, whatever it is, December is your exam. Now, when December is your exam, what is your job? First thing is that let us understand that next 5 months, we have to study for exam. Simple. So there is no point in crying. You can't cry. Oh, I should have written in June. I'm losing time. See, the whole world is suffering right now, and you should not be bothered about small things. So my suggestion to you, now, please study very well for the exam. First, let us analyze what are your options. See, now students are asking all kind of things. Should I do some course? Should I do some extra course? Should I do something else? Now, the concept is simple. I am telling you, just study for December exam. If you already prepared something for June exam, that is good. Nothing is going to go waste. But study in such a way that you will definitely pass December exam. And any help, we are there for you. We are there to help you with whether it is video classes, whether it is webinars like this, whether it is notes, whatever help you want, we are there to help you. We understand the situation is very, very bad. So all the courses are also priced at a very minimal price just to meet the cost and things like that. But the goal is forget about the course, what is the price, all that you'll get the help. But the goal for you, what is your goal? Your goal is December, I am going to pass the exam. Whether your CS Executive 1 module, 2 modules, CS EET, CS Foundation, CS Professional, it doesn't matter which student you are. You don't have any other option. And all of us have to be at home now. So don't waste your time in overthinking. Don't waste your time in overanalyzing. So some students are telling me, shall I do some other short course? First you do this. No, what is there in front of you? Company secretary course. First you finish that, become expert in that subject. These subjects need lot of time. Self-study is difficult. And physical coaching class is not there now. What can you do? Everything is closed. You can't go there and risk your life, your family life. I'm telling, going to coaching class. Colleges are closed, schools are closed, everything is closed. You have to sit at home, study online. There is no other option for you. This is actually a good news. See, there is nothing as good or bad. It is how you use the situation. Pain is compulsory. Everybody will face some pain in their life, but suffering is optional. Suffering is optional. That means you can look at a situation and start suffering. Oh, this is difficult. Oh, that is difficult. This is not happened. Oh, Corona happened. Something else happened. Like this, you will face many problems in life. And Corona is affecting the richest country, America, to the poorest country somewhere in Africa, India, China. Every country is affected. So this is actually a stepping stone for you. How will I deal with my life when I face challenges? When you start working tomorrow, you have other challenges. In family, you'll have challenges. In future work, you'll have challenges. With your boss, you have challenges. So please realize, don't be in a bubble that everything will be perfect. Everything will not be perfect. That is how life is. And now it is testing everyone little too much only. Nobody expected Corona. What did not happen for 100 years, COVID-19, is happening. So nobody is alive who has faced something like this. 100 years ago, this happened. Correct. After 100 years, something like this is happening. So nobody has faced it. So in what situation you are today, what situation I am in now, you should think. That is the same situation for everyone. Use that situation to your advantage. Do your basics, that is stay safe, then making sure that your family is safe, be healthy, do all the good practices to have a good health, have a good exercise, do your meditation, yoga, interact with friends on the phone at least, be with family, all that you do, very good. But along with that, you have to study. See, is it better to do something totally new, or is it better to do what you already are doing in a perfect way? Students, please don't get distracted. This is my simple request for you. Please don't get distracted. You be thankful. Yes, I'm saying be thankful because at least you have food to eat. All of us have food to eat. Many people don't have food to eat. So when you have food to eat, next thing is you have to study well. You have to study well, and December is your attempt. So I am telling you, please concentrate for next 5 months. If you want help, video classes are there because you can't go to physical coaching class right now. Correct? Notes are there. Live webinars like this we are ready to give. Any other support you want, what kind of support you want for studies, if you tell us, we are ready to give. But you need to make use of it. And some students are thinking, oh, okay, if anyway this Corona is going to be there, why should I study? See, everything has an end. Everything has an end. We don't know Corona is ending in 2 months or 3 months or 6 months or later, and it is always going to be there. It will be reduced. But life will not stop because of that. You have to stay healthy, you have to stay mentally fit, you have to stay physically fit, and also your career should grow, right? You can't just be worrying that, okay, Corona is there, I will not study. This will always be there. There are so many other diseases in the world. All diseases are there. They have not suddenly gone. Along with that, this is a new thing, and you have to please be ready for the new world. Things are changing. There are a lot of fundamental changes happening. But remember one thing. All these old concepts of I'll take some part-time job, I'll do something small, I'll do something different is not permanent. You see, you observe, please observe now in this pandemic also. Did you hear company secretary lost the job, chartered accountant lost the job, lawyer lost the job? No. Professionals never lose the job. See, in fact, in a pandemic relating to health concern, doctors are in highest demand. Nurses are in highest demand. They are all specialized skills. Even in middle of pandemic, are you observing? Business is going on. Facebook joined hands with Reliance Jio. Google joined hands 2 days ago with Reliance Jio. Multiple deals are happening. How will Facebook join Reliance Jio? Google join Reliance Jio? This is the big news which everybody knows. Like this, thousands of deals are happening. Me as a practicing company secretary, we keep doing this. And even in the middle of pandemic, we are busy with work. New companies are forming, new partnerships are happening, winding up is happening, merger is happening, amalgamation is happening, restructuring is happening, new infusement of capital is happening, foreign investment is coming, everything is happening middle of pandemic. So the company secretary, chartered accountant, cost accountant, lawyer is in highest demand. It's highest demand because you're a professional. You're not simply master degree like some MBA. See, don't think I'm telling something negative about MBA, but you only see, you go see the news, see the reality. Lakhs and lakhs of MBA graduates have lost the job. Even people with 10 to 15 years experience, they lost the job. They were just thrown out of the job. Why? Because so many people are there that was really not required. It was a false economy. It was a fake economy. But did you hear company secretary lost the job, chartered accountant lost the job, lawyer lost the job in company? No, in fact, the hiring is happening more. I myself have got 3 to 4 inquiries asking, do you know any new fresher company secretary? We want to hire a company secretary with 5 years experience. This kind of hiring is happening middle of pandemic. In fact, some of my students also are telling, sir, we are in hometown, but I got a training opportunity. I got my job. I'm not able to go to Bangalore. I'm not able to go to Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, like this Delhi. They're not able to go to the city, but they're getting the job. They're getting the training. Everything is happening. Why? Because you are a professional. You are a professional. So please remove from your mind, oh, Corona is there. Should I study? Confusion. I will study after Corona is over. I will go to physical coaching. I can study only in physical coaching. Don't talk to me like a grandmother or grandfather. Today, grandmother and grandfather are adjusting to online. They are buying everything in mobile app. In mobile app, they're buying everything online. They're talking to their children in different countries through Zoom and WhatsApp and all the other platforms. Older people are adapting, but my students are telling, sir, when is physical class? Till physical class is there, I will not study. I want to study only physical classroom. I want to go to classroom. I want to travel 2 hours. I want to go in bus. Only then I'll be tired. Then I will get concentration. I don't know what to tell. High time you adapt to new technology, new ways of life, because this is the new normal. I'm sorry if I'm being blunt. It is my job to be frank with you. You have to learn. And in online class, there is so much advantage. You are getting recorded classes. Plus, you can have multiple views. You can, how many ever times, till you understand. Till I understand, I will be watching. Who is going to give this option for you? In live class, will you get this option when you go to classroom? If you miss one class, next day, oh, where is the notes? Oh, what happened? Madam, please tell me. Sir, tell me what happened. Nothing you'll understand. Online class, even the class which I have done for all the law subjects, company law, jurisprudence, whether it is SBEC, security laws, and security laws we are amending, we are giving the latest LODR, that new amendments, latest videos I'm updating now with the amendments. These kind of things you're going to get. So like this, all our teachers, whether it is Vishwas, Raksha ma'am, for our CS executive classes which we have, all this is going to be in a practical oriented manner where you can watch multiple times. If you still have doubts, you can get back to us. CACET also, you're going to get the coaching. Don't be imagining a physical classroom. All that is history now. Right now, at least now, what is clear? Corona is going to stay. I can't go back to classroom. Teacher also can't go. Student also can't go. You have to adapt to new technology. People are working from home. Did you see the news? Twitter told all the employees, you can work from home forever. That is the kind of changes happening. But students are telling, no, I want to go to physical classroom. Then only I'll get concentration. Online, we can't understand. Are you really in 2020? Are you in 1920? I'm sorry to be blunt, but this is the attitude of students. So many students have told me, sir, I will study only in physical classroom. Then you will never be able to study next couple of years. That much I'll tell you. Physical classrooms are not starting back very soon. It is not going to happen. Don't waste your time. What is in your hand is a golden opportunity to be a professional. Please become a company secretary quickly. There is very huge demand. There are more and more companies going to start. Yes, economy is shrinking, all that news you are reading, all the negative news. But every crisis is opportunity. India is taking that opportunity. I will tell you, as a company secretary, I'm in practice. I've told you many times. I have filed more than 20 companies charge related documents last 1 month, more than 20 companies, because they are getting MSME loan. Government announced, no, for MSME sector, we are going to give some loans. So if loan comes in technically company law, what is it? Charges, section 77 to 87, but section 77 comes into picture. We have to file CHG1, form should be filed. I have filed it for more than 20 companies. I was thinking, oh, Corona is there. Maybe my work as company secretary is going to go down. What should I do? But let me tell you, me and my partners, my firm, our work has increased. Then I talk to my seniors, my friends, my juniors, my students who have started practice, and my other colleagues who are working in companies. Everybody is telling, yes, things are little down, but new things are happening. New things are happening. Companies are diversifying. See, there are so many travel companies. Now travel is no question. You can't travel right now, but travel companies are diversifying into other areas. When you diversify, what is the corporate action? Either you're doing merger, you're amalgamating, or you're entering into contract with someone, you're entering into agreement. So many legal things are happening. All that, who is going to do? Who will do all that? Company secretary, chartered accountant, lawyer, they should only do. Professionals should do all this. And especially company law. Company law, whatever you do, you open a company, you close a company, you enter into partnership with another company, you enter into strategic alliance with another company, or you go for demerger of your company, or you take over some company, amalgamation, whatever you do, you need to comply with Companies Act 2013. You need to quote means NCLT. Then if you have restructuring, IBC comes into picture. Even if you want to close the company, you need to go to company secretary. So many companies are closing now. That is also true. But who is going to close it? Company secretary has to close it along with IBC and NCLT related provisions in corporate restructuring, valuation, insolvency, bankruptcy code, all this. So remove that negativity. See, as a student, what you're thinking is not wrong. Please don't think I'm scolding you or something. Sometimes we have to be strict to open your perspective, to make you realize the reality. That is why I have to be frank, I have to be open. And it is my duty as a teacher. It is not simply I will tell, okay, come buy my course. You buy, we'll give you discount, we'll give you, multiple views. You can ask question. You have, you can watch the video in 1 speed, 2 speed, all that I can tell you. But that is not the only thing I do. Or that is not the only thing we do at Super Profs. We have to support you, make you realize, open your eyes. Yes, it is problem. Some student told, somebody in family got corona. So many things are going to happen. Nobody is safe in this environment. But still, we have to do what we know to the best of our ability. That's all we can do. Frankly, what else is your option? Will you simply go something else new you will start now? This is the last time to start something new, something which you don't know. Better what you have started, completed properly. Give me a promise. Give me a promise. Next 5 months, I am going to study hard. If you are writing only one module in June, add one more module. Write both the modules for CS Executive in December. If you are a new student, take company secretary course, take CS CET. Get into this wonderful professional. If you are in CS professional, completed, you already finished foundation or executive would have completed. Now you are in professional. Next 5 months, you add the group, study hard, stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. All that already government is telling you. I don't have to tell you. make sure you are in social distance, all that you do. Please do all that. That every citizen should do. Nobody is safe. But along with that, what you are doing before corona, you have to do now. You can't simply stop that. Oh, I'm in depression. Oh, what to do? I don't know. What is the future? Nobody knows. Even big countries don't know. So all of us are in the same boat. All of us are in the same place. We have to deal with it. Please stay active. Please stay active and study well. Study well. We are there to support you. Suppose you purchased one module, or you went for one module coaching in physical classroom. Now, sir, what I'll do for second module? What shall I do? You buy the video classes. It is there. Everything is there, and it is with amendments. It is multiple views. Watch till you understand. Some concepts which you don't understand, watch 5 times, watch 10 times. Nothing is difficult. It is just how much hard work you are going to give. We are there to support you. We can give you unlimited views. So many people will give only 1 view, 2 view, 3 view. What is that nonsense? No, unlimited views. Till you understand, you can watch and understand the concept. See, this is not just about buying some course and all. You should pass the exam, and we want to shorten your time. Can you do self-study? Many questions. Sir, we don't have money now. We'll do self-study. You can do self-study, but your time is going to go higher. Rather, you spend a minimal amount of time and money. I understand it is difficult, but spend a minimum money, which is very much affordable. 100% I can guarantee you. That time your learning curve will be shortened. What will take you 5 months to study with the help of a correct teacher who is especially in practice and who is doing it every day, you'll study the same subject in just 1.5 to 2 months. That is the advantage you're going to get when you study with a professional. And I can confidently tell you from my courses or any other courses which we have in CS, that only professionals are teaching you, and they're going to make you perfect in the subject. Now, please draw your attention to MBA. One big craze in our CS and CA students, very big craze. Sir, I'll do of MBA, I'll do of MBA. Today, let me tell you, Google Sundar Pichai, CEO, he has told, we don't want college degree from now. MBA, all this magic is gone. They want skills, they want professionals. That is one example. Google, biggest company in the world, example I'm telling. So when I say Google, Reliance, Facebook, doesn't mean that is the only thing. That is the big example which you will understand. When it is happening in the top, it will come down to all the companies. This logic you should understand. If Google is announcing today that we don't want degree, we don't want our professional MBA, we just want skill, all other companies, still the lowest company, the smallest company is going to adopt that in the next few years. And what are you spending MBA? 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Even a MBA in some small college is charging you 5 to 10 lakhs. 5 to 10 lakhs for what? I'm sorry, nothing, bullshit, and nothing is there in that you are going to get today. Nothing. You're not going to get any job based on that. Today, it is the professional who is surviving in the market. In medical and science, doctors, nurses, they are professionals. They are surviving and thriving in the market. There is so much demand for doctors, despite the problem which we are having, and doctors are scared to go. At least company secretaries are not in a life and death situation. Our work does not demand that. We are not dealing like that. So company secretary is also doctor. For corporate world, we are compliance officers. We are doctors of corporate world. So more and more company secretaries are required. Demand is high in the market. Don't waste your time. And what money you are spending to do company secretary course, it is only in thousands. It will not even reach 1 lakh. Coaching fees. Then now if you buy our Super Pros online class, whatever you do, it is in thousands. But MBA, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, it is meaningless. 10 years ago, it had meaning. 15 years ago, it had meaning. It was true. If you do MBA, you settle in the life. Otherwise, nothing. But now life has changed. So don't tell I will study on my own and all. I know the situation is difficult, but try to somehow arrange some minimal funds, because what money you need for this is nothing compared to the benefit you get. Company secretary of HUL is earning 6 crores per annum. 6 crores per annum. 50 lakhs per month. And how much did he spend to do company secretary course? Not even 50,000. Just one example I'm telling you. HUL is again a big company, but look at any company. I'm telling you, middle of pandemic, middle of corona, new company secretaries are being hired. I am getting a call, at least one call every week, where my client is telling, fresher company secretary, we are ready to pay 60,000. Do you have anybody? We want urgently. Because we have this form INC 22A, form active, all that. When you take my company law course, you'll understand, but I'm telling you. So every company has to file form active. And the due date is over. So now to file form active, you need company secretary appointment. If 5 crores paid up capital is there for private company also. But they don't have company secretary. They're hiring in middle of this. So that shows the demand which we have. Huge demand is there. So stop all the distraction. From today, get serious. Make sure that you study very, very hard. And we are there to support you. The most important thing is, can we support you? See the advantages which you are having. The online classes which we have, you are having very, very minimal cost. We understand situation. The cost is very minimal. The number of views is unlimited. You can watch anytime. Morning you want to watch, night you want to watch, you can watch the classes anytime. Even your doubts can be cleared by us. Multiple views are there. Then right now, online education is the only option. Unfortunately, there is no other option. Let us accept reality. Let us change our old grandmother, grandfather attitude, because grandmother and grandfathers are adapting to new change. They are adapting. So as youngsters, please adapt to new change. If you don't adapt, you cannot survive. That is the message of COVID-19 crisis. Every country, every company, every individual, every person has to adapt to new reality. If you're in the dreamland, whatever is before corona will come back, everything normal after some time. No, never. Life will never be as before. We are going to have a new changes. It will be positive if you adapt well. If you are negative, oh, I want like that only. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I want to go physical class only. You will suffer your entire life. But if you adapt to change, if you're open and embrace change, life can actually be very beautiful. Every crisis is an opportunity. This is not what I am telling. Many great people have already told. Every crisis is opportunity. It is how you use it. You can come out of the crisis as a complete failure. You can come out of the crisis as a complete success. You have to just adapt. And that is the solution which you have. And in our classes, if I have to tell you, the results are amazing. The results are even 40%. There are rank students who have come. So more than institute results, the results are coming in these particular classes. So please make sure that you are getting the best coaching, multiple views, and the best support, best technology. You have streaming service, and lot of webinars like this will keep happening for your support. Then more than 75% students are taking classes again. That means once they buy a course, they buy again because of the success rate. And also if you see many of the websites, the ratings are very high, and there is more than 4-star out of 5 ratings when you look at the reviews. And also what I tell you is, don't do anything blindly. Please do your homework. Please counsel, call us. We'll give you a counseling. Then you take a decision. But the simple logic is, don't waste this 5 months. You have 2 options. After 5 months, again we'll talk like this. Oh, you can do this, you can do that for June. First option, which I don't want you to be. Second option, wake up today. Wake up today. That means you're sleeping. Yes, you're sleeping, you're crying, you're seeing the news, oh, everybody's going to die. No. Wake up today, take life head on, accept the reality. Yes, the world is very negative now. Yes, there is corona. Yes, everybody is at danger. Yes, we don't know what is happening tomorrow. Yes, for everything. But also, yes, I will give my effort. I will give my effort. I will work hard next 5 months. I will take the online coaching. I will get the best support. I will give my 100% because you can't do what is not in your control. Can you suddenly stop corona? You can't. Can you suddenly find some vaccine? You cannot. Everybody is trying. Each one of us should do what is in our hand. And in your hand, your life is there, your future is there, your career of a company secretary is there. We are there only to support you. Our role is 5%. We support you, we push you, we bring the horse till the water. You have to drink the water. And complete support is there from us. All the video classes, what will take you 1 year to study, you can study in just 4 months with our video classes. That is the time you're going to save. So I really request you to do well with this particular exam. So I think I've given you a clear picture of what all you can expect and what all you should do. And if you still have any questions, we'll be very happy to take it. Yeah. So if anybody has anything to ask or anything to tell, or if you feel something I told could be better or something wrong also, please be open. We need to be very frank and open. Only then we'll be able to succeed. But realize that whatever you're doing now, you can do better than that. Whatever you're doing, sir, I'm already studying 7 hours a day. You can study 8 hours a day, right? So it's little bit better you can do from whatever you're doing. If you're not at all studying, not at all concentrating, start with 1 hour. Take the coaching. Go step by step. So it will be a support structure. So you'll have always I'll be there. Always our teachers will be there to support you. Online, of course, virtually. We are not supposed to meet, right? Social distancing. But this is the support you're going to get, right? So before I end, again, I'm telling you, all of you, please wake up from your slumber, wake up from the negativity, wake up from all the negative things, start studying today. You can get the video classes at a very affordable cost, multiple views, and make sure that you do well. Our intention is very simple. Next 5 months, become expert in the subject and pass the exam in December. And don't worry about corona. When the solution comes for the whole world, it will come for you also. With that note, I would like to end my short webinar, and all the best for exam. We'll be waiting to see you in the online classes and support you with our best ability for December. Thank you.